In this tutorial, let's discuss a very interesting problem which was previously asked in a Facebook, and the problem is valid palindrome 2. Before solving this problem, I suggest first solve valid palindrome problem, and the link of that video tutorial is present in the description box. Also, if you have not subscribed this channel, then subscribe this channel so that you get the notification of all the videos I make. And if you want to support my work, join the channel membership through join button. So in this tutorial, first I'll discuss the problem statement, then we will understand how we can approach this problem, and finally we will write its Java code. In this problem, we have given a non-empty string s, and we may delete at most one character, and we have to check whether we can make a string palindrome by deleting at most one character. So now the first question is, what is palindrome? So basically a palindrome is a word or a phrase that reads same backwards as forwards. For example, the easiest example is, let's say if I write, so let me write, let's say the word Nitin. So let me write it. So if you read in forward direction, it is Nitin. If you read in backward direction, it is still Nitin. So it's a palindrome. Now let's see the example. In the first example, the string is ABA. So if we read in a forward direction, it is ABA. It is, if we read in backward direction, it is ABA. So we don't have to delete any character in this string. It is still a palindrome. Now let's move to example 2. So in this example, the string is ABCA. So it is not a palindrome. So to make it a palindrome, either we have to delete a character B or a character C. So if we delete character B, let's say, then the string is ACA. So it's a palindrome. So you can read in forward or backward direction, it is still same. So, and what about if I delete the character C, it is ABA. So it is a palindrome. So you can either delete character B or character C to make it a palindrome, and we can only delete at most one character. And after deleting at most one character, we have to check whether the string is palindrome or not. And in this problem, the string will only contain lowercase letters, lowercase characters, and the maximum length of the string is 50,000. So this is the problem statement. And now let's discuss how we can approach this problem. Now let's start with a very simple question. How do we check whether a given string is palindrome or not? So now suppose given a word Nitin, and we have to check whether this string is palindrome or not. So how do we check whether a string is palindrome or not? So the simplest approach is to take a given word or a given string and reverse this string and compare the reverse string with the original string. If both are equal, then it's a palindrome, else it's not a palindrome. But it's not an efficient approach. The efficient approach is to take two pointers, let's say the left and right. So the left will point at 0th index and the right will point at string length -1 index. Then we compare the character present at left and right index. If it is equal, then we increment the value of left pointer and we decrement the value of right pointer. So the character present at this index is n and the character present at this index is n. So both are equal. So increment the value of left pointer and decrement the value of right pointer. Again, when we check the character present at both the indexes are equal, then increment the value of left and decrement the value of right. Again, it is same. So this string is a palindrome. Now we know how to check whether a string is palindrome or not. So here comes a tricky part. So in this problem, now let's say given a string, let's assume this string, and if a string is not a palindrome, then we can delete at most one character from a string, and after deleting a character we have to check whether a string is palindrome or not. To understand this concept, let's take a string A, B, C, B, E, A. So this string is not a palindrome, but deleting this character from this string, we can make this string palindrome. So after deleting this character E, the string is A, B, C, B, A. So this string is a palindrome, but we have given this a string. So how do we solve this problem? So let's take two pointers, left and right, and let's compare the character present at both the indexes, and the character is A. So it is equal. So let's increment the value of left pointer and decrement the value of right pointer. Now the character is B and the character is E. Whether B is equal to E? No. We can delete at most one character. So let's first delete this character B and check after deleting this character whether we can make this a string palindrome. So let's delete this character. So let's move the left pointer by one step and keep the right pointer as it is. And now let's compare the character whether C is equal to E. No, it's not a palindrome. So the second choice we have is to keep the left pointer as it is and move the right pointer. So let's delete this character and move the right pointer. Now let's compare the character. So this character B is equal to B. So let's move the left pointer by one step and let's decrement the right pointer by one step. Again the character is C, which is equal. Now by deleting this character E, we can make this a string palindrome. So this is how we can approach this problem. Now let's write its Java code. To save the time, I have written this code offline, and let's dry run this code with this example. So we need two pointers, left and right. So left will point at this index and right will point at this index, and we run a loop while the value of left pointer is less than equal to right pointer. So the value of left initial value is 0 and the initial value of right is 5. Now we compare whether the character present at left index is not equal to right index. So this condition will execute when the character present at left pointer is not equal to the character present at right pointer. Now A is equal to A. So this condition will not execute, and this line of code will execute where we increment the value of left pointer and decrement the value of right pointer. So the value of left pointer will be 1 and the value of right pointer will be 4. So in next iteration the value is B and this value is E, which is not equal. So here is the code. So here first we check by deleting this character. So we move the left pointer by one step. So by deleting this character, whether we can make this a string palindrome, and this function is very straightforward. It runs a loop. So we pass the value of start is, so we pass its value 2 and the value of end is 4. So in this string we check whether the string present from this index to this index is palindrome. So we compare whether this character is equal to this character. No, it is not equal, so we return false. Now the second choice we have is we keep left pointer as it is. So the value of left pointer is 1 and we pass right pointer. So we pass this index, we pass 3. Now we check. So we run this loop while the value of start is less than or equal to end, and we check whether this character, the character present at this index is B and the character present at this index is B. So whether the character present at left pointer is not equal to the character present at right pointer. So no, this condition is false. So we increment the value of start pointer and decrement the value of end pointer. So we increment its value and we decrement its the value of right pointer, and again we check. So the character is C, which is equal. So we return true. So if any of the condition is true, so by deleting at most one character, if the string is palindrome, then we return true. So if any of the condition is true, we return true. So from here we return true. So this is how we can write its Java code. So let me run this code. So I have already checked the code and I have already submitted the code. Let me run it again, and now let me submit it. Let's talk about its time and space complexity. So the time complexity of this solution is big O of n. So it is big O of n, and its space complexity is big O of 1. I have solved this problem by using two pointers, and if you know any other way to solve this problem, please let us know through your comments. And that's it for this video tutorial. For more such programming videos, you can subscribe our YouTube channel. You can visit our website, which is https://webrewrite.com. Thanks for watching this video.